10,000원 해주시면 안 돼요?
그건 아니야.
거기 10,000원 안 비싸요?
그런가?
그 만 원짜리 하시는 만 원짜리가 하시는 게 맞고, 요 파는 건 저희가 파는 건 12,000원.
저희가 안 사자? 안 되네? 오징어 2마리.
두 마리 집에 가져가 싶어서 그냥
단체로.
두 마리 해 24,000원 결제하면 돼. 살아있지, 살아있잖아.
물 좀 안 넣어줘도 돼요?
이거는 어차피 써야 되잖아. 어차피 써야 돼.
아 근데 살아있어야 돼가지고.
살아있어야 된다고?
네.
이거 물 넣으면 살아있나? 아니야, 물 안 넣어도 살아있어. 물 안 넣어도 살아있어. 집에 가서 떠서 먹을 거라면.
네.
근데
괜찮아요, 괜찮아요. 살아있어요.
살아있어요?
오징어가
네
물이 없어도
네 30분 정도 살아있을까요?
30분 안 살고 못 살아. 30분 못 살지.
Okay, where is the meth? Hey fucking Skid, are you okay? 죽었어.
Hello, my name is Dutri, chef of Korea. Today we will make skid food, boiled skid, ramen, and skid fusion.
You got a new apron. You got a new apron.
April, my fashion,
Yeah.
as I prepare for the cooking.
Looks really pretty.
Thank you.
We buy in the market, but all died. They have no movement. First, I pick this one. We have to pull out this skin. We have to remove the bone of the skin. Bone, like this. Okay. We have to wash it. This is skin ear. The ear listen from this part. The skin. Let's see here. This is the mouth. Hello, my name is Skip. Oh! There. Now he's angry for me. We have to cut this. We have to cut the half of it. And then next we'll remove the eyes and mouth. We'll get out the eye. Oh fuck. I'm sorry. Always before cooking, we have to regret for the segment. I'm very sorry, but also I'm the animal, so I have to eat something. It's the Korean 예의가 뭐야?
Manner.
Korean manner for the die people, die animal. We have to remove the mouse. 근데 이건 좀 손으로 빼는 게 아닌 것 같아. Goodbye mouse. And next.
끝났어.
그쵸?
끝났어.
This time half cut.
Expert.
Okay. And next what I have to do? 붙었다.
오.
It's the Korean glue.
오. 이거를-
shit.
오 씨.
먹물이 뭐야?
Ink.
Ink. The black ink of the skin.
아 개새끼야. 아 씨발.
This is the Korean drop.
And next wash. When you wash the food, sing a song. Wash away. Next, will the knife chip is the 흉터. 이라시마세. This is sushi chef. When you boil the skin, to push the water, only push the skin and the boil. The middle fire, okay? This part is bang bang. We'll cut the skin. It looks like the wing of a young pup and the leg. This is the 오징어 다리. We'll make a skid ramen. Why you buy the 신라면?
Why? What ramen do you like?
You're not my partner. You don't know my 입맛, 맛.
What do you like?
I like spaghetti. And boil water. The skid flavor is.
Oh shit.
So I'm the type of the ramen first. So I'll ramen tweak. Oh. So I'll tweak the ramen. Next ramen, the soup. Break. And the skid ramen. Skid ramen and skid suke. So we eat skid suke.
What is this?
This is the chochang. It's delicious of the chochang. We eat the skid ramen. It's like the live skid, the swimming in my mouth. You also eat this.
It's good.
It's good. No other word.
It's delicious.
Delicious. It's good and delicious. Same meaning. So I want to.
It's delicious because you made it.
You got it. The skid food, skid cooking is not difficult. All beginners can cook this well. If you don't afraid of the the skid, like the eye depart, mouth depart. You can do it. Try it.